Rahul Gandhi condoles deaths of IAS aspirants. Rahul Gandhi has said the death of competitive students due to waterlogging in the basement of a building in Delhi is very unfortunate. He says a few days ago a student died due to electric shock during the rains, and Rahul Gandhi says that he expresses his heartfelt condolences to all the bereaved families. This collapse of infrastructure is a collective failure of the system. The common citizen is paying the price of unsafe construction, poor town planning and irresponsibility of institutions at every level by losing his life. Safe and comfortable life is the right of every citizen and the responsibility of the governments, is what Rahul Gandhi has said. Shreya, I'm going to come back to you. Rahul Gandhi has spoken on the, in fact condoled the deaths of IAS aspirants. Tell us more.
Yes, Rahul Gandhi has hit out on the local authorities, the town planning, questioned about how, this is a basic right to life for all individuals, which they are also being deprived of. And we're not talking about any random place which is in a remote area. We're talking about the national capital of the country. So pertinent point that has been raised, but also, it's the allies of the India Alliance, which are right now in the ruling government in the national capital. So definitely responsibility has to be set, accountability has to be set, because as we were again pointing it out, and I'll show you again, these vehicles have been brought on the ground to declog the drainage systems. If these vehicles are available, if these vehicles could have done their job before and cleaned the drainage, probably the situation that arose leading to the death of 3 individuals could have been averted. And just to give you an update of what is the situation on the ground right now, the Delhi police officials, including the DCP and all senior rank officials, are right now present over here. They're taking stock of a situation as per the investigation details. Remember, there has to be a forensic examination also to be conducted of how the entire tragedy happened. From the reports that we do have, this particular road where I'm standing right now, it was completely clogged with water. It was waterlogged, and subsequently these gates that you see of this particular center, they had iron sheets in it, and one of those gates, when it hit with the waves, the iron sheets, it couldn't hold the strength of the water. The water broke through, went inside and clogged the basement, thereby drowning the individuals. Some of them, they could escape, but unfortunately 3 lives are lost. And right now, because of that, the students, they continue to stage their protest and demand justice for what transpired yesterday.
Right, Shreya. Continue tracking that story. We'll come back to you for more on this. Politics speaks over civic apathy that killed 3 UPSC aspirants in the national capital. The Delhi government is under intense scrutiny, with Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal being held accountable by the BJP, accusing him of failing to ensure timely action and oversight. The Saffron clan claims that systemic corruption and inefficiency in the Kejriwal Sarkar contributed to this disaster, pointing to a broader failure in civic management. Meanwhile, Delhi Minister Atishi has ordered a magisterial inquiry ensuring that those responsible for the tragedy will face consequences.
एक दशक से, पिछले 10 सालों से यहाँ पर सत्ता भोग रहे हैं, लेकिन दिल्ली की जनता के लिए कुछ नहीं कर रहे। स्थानीय लोग बार बार 1 सप्ताह से बोल रहे हैं कि नाले की सफाई करवा दीजिए। नाले की सफाई अगर माननीय विधायक दुर्गेश पाठक जी और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की सरकार ने कराई होती, तो आज ये बेसमेंट जलमग्न नहीं होता और बच्चों की जान नहीं जाती। और ये पहला वाकया नहीं है। आप जानते हैं, पिछले दिनों इसी तरह वाटर लॉगिंग और इलेक्ट्रोक्यूशन के कारण पटेल नगर में एक एस्पिरेंट की डेथ हुई है। उससे पहले 2 बच्चे जो दूध लेने जा रहे थे, वो भी जलमग्न होकर इलेक्ट्रोक्यूशन के कारण उनकी डेथ हुई है। कब तक दिल्ली वासी अपने प्राण इस तरह खोते रहेंगे इनकी लापरवाही के कारण?
बच्चे बहुत दुखी हैं और बहुत गुस्से में हैं, और क्यों ना हो। 12 घंटे से ज्यादा हो गए हैं। अभी तक ना तो दिल्ली सरकार का कोई मंत्री आया है, ना ही एमसीडी की मेयर आई है, कोई अधिकारी नहीं आया है, इन बच्चों को अपने हाल पे छोड़ा हुआ है। मैं ये मानती हूँ कि ये जो मौत हुई है, ये कोई डिजास्टर नहीं है, ये सीधे सीधे मर्डर है। एफआईआर दर्ज होनी चाहिए। ये जितने भी सरकार के बहुत बड़े बड़े नुमाइंदे हैं, इन सब पे एफआईआर होनी चाहिए। सबकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है। सबसे जरूरी है, ये जितने भी बच्चे मरे हैं, अभी तो पता ही नहीं चल पा रहा कि 3 मरे हैं या ज्यादा मरे हैं, जितने बच्चे मरे हैं उन सबके घर में जाकर 1 करोड़ की कॉम्पनसेशन इंडिविजुअली देनी चाहिए।
3 young lives were lost because the water entered the basement where they were studying in the library. this can't be a natural disaster. This is a man-made disaster. What is the system of filtering out illegal structures from legal structures? Are these structures which are housing these students and the coaching centers, are they legal? Is the MCD looking into these aspects? What about the drainage system of Delhi, the sewerage system of Delhi? All these questions plague these controversies around these deaths.
Right, we have first images of the owner of the coaching center, Abhishek Gupta, who has been arrested by the Delhi police and an FIR has been charged against him. Abhishek Gupta is the owner of the coaching center in Rajendra Nagar in Delhi, where a flooding took place in the basement, which resulted in the death of 3 UPSC aspirants. And many more students were stuck in the basement, and then they were eventually rescued. But these are the images. This is the image of Abhishek Gupta, the owner of the coaching center, who has been arrested by the Delhi cops.